Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the PB Cuber, and today I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube, but after every move I do, I'm gonna do a ball flip. So welcome to Cubing Challenges, the series where I post cool videos about challenges that are related to cubing. You watch the video, enjoy, like, subscribe, and click the bell. Oh, also if you have any ideas for the next challenge, write it down in the comments. So as I said, today I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube, but I'm not allowed to do the next turn until I succeed a ball flip. I usually solve a Rubik's Cube at 55 moves, so that means that I'm gonna need to do something like 55 ball flips. The cube is scrambled, let's start the inspection. 3, 2, 1, go. So I'm down to the cross and I also got an extra. Oh well. And I got a wide chrome. Hope I'm not gonna mess up with the PLL. Really close to end. Last 3 moves. Last move. Let's go! The cube is solved. 4 minutes and 92 seconds. Actually, it was way better than I thought it would be. I mean, I almost didn't miss it all. Now guys, I wanted to say to you something. As you may have realized, I didn't upload a video for 28 days. This is a so long time. Sorry for that, I just lost my camera. I searched for it in every single centimeter on my house and cannot find it. So I had to wait till my father will buy a new one. Thanks Dad. So yeah, now I got a new camera. Hope I will upload more in the next few weeks. I've got some really cool ideas coming soon, so make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like if you did. Bye. Oh no.